cute, huh?
Okay.
Wait for the music.
Wait, when it starts, wait.
Wait.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Mikey. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Wow.
Oh, that's supposed to be inside.
Gina chocolate.
Oh.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Again, one more. Let me finish my film.
Again.
Like best buddies, hugging. Like Tita Gina looks.
Look here,
Say
Mikey.
cheese.
Mikey, look here.
Nice. Say cheese. Nice. I didn't take it.
Cheese.
Nice. Hey, Mikey, give me a nice bit.
Which one's me? Bad dog. Which one's me?
The bigger one.
Yup.
Bomba.
First pool picture.
There's another one.
Hey, look, they both covered their
Hey.
cut. I forget. Here, cut
Is it
that.
on?
Yeah.
Sit.
Like this, right? Because it's ice cream.
No, wait, I want to get there.
Okay.
Take a picture. Somebody better get a camera.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
Mikey
good.
gets the first one.
Hey, look! Take a picture of me! What's the eye?
Mikey, if you ever get plastic spoons upstairs.
taste like?
Mom, you want some too, right?
Yeah, I want a little
Oh.
bit.
Okay, smile.
What are you eating, Tita Gina?
That.
Okay.
Looks good.
But they weren't pieces.
Melted.
We fought now with the Downton and
Duncan what?
Downton
Gina had a fight?
No.
Baskin and Robbins.
Baskin and
Oh.
Robbins.
Oh, no.
Gina.
Why?
That's why she went to Carvel.
You want,
Because she
Fred?
didn't like.
You want
No,
a
go
big
ahead.
piece?
No, I want a small piece.
Give me a fork. Is it?
What are you eating, Wise?
I'm not eating.
Wise.